After you've installed the VTax app, this will be the main page. So, you will create an account with a username, an email address, and a secure password. The password will need an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a symbol, and a number. After confirming your password, you can agree to the terms of the mobile app. From there, you can continue to the next page. Next, you're going to upload your VTax discount referral card that you received from the person who referred you. This is important because you want to make sure you get that discount. So we've got some simple questions. We will enter if we are married, yes or no, and then we will scan the barcode on the back of our driver's license. So it will scan most any driver's license. You don't have to worry about it not working with the mobile app. It will pretty much collect a majority of your information just using that one simple barcode. So from there, we will start taking pictures of our tax documents, starting with the W-2. And to take more than one, you just simply continue snapping, and we will collect each picture you take with the mobile app. So this is an example. And hold the camera steady so it is as clear as possible. It should be pretty easy to read on the other end. They can zoom into it. Your preparer will be able to do that if they can't read anything. Next, we are going to send a picture of the front of our driver's license and then take a selfie. That's because the selfie needs to match the picture from your driver's license. Obviously, that's not me, and we will just verify that the information we have imported is correct. From your driver's license, it should import this. It didn't in this case because it's a demo, but it should pull it from your driver's license. The only things it will not pull is your social security numbers for you and your spouse and dependents. Of course, dependent information and then contact information is the other piece you will have to enter. This is the consent to use. This is a demo, but VTax will be pre-filled in here as preparer's name or the company that they work for here, and then your name, giving them consent to use your tax information to prepare your return. So then we will continue. We are almost finished. We just have to verify everything, and once we see that everything looks good, we've sent all of the documents that we want to, we can click Submit. Or keep in mind that you can send more pictures later using the chat feature. So, if your preparer needs you to send more documents, this is definitely capable of doing that afterward. So, from here, we will get the code to our tax preparer. You will have the option to either text them, email them, or call them to give them the code so that they can begin working on your tax return. Now, this is the chat feature where you can ask your preparer additional questions or respond to questions that they may have for you. So you can type these questions and they will populate. Also, you can see the camera next to the chat where you can take additional pictures. When you have a chat message from your preparer, it will light up at the top right of the screen, and you can see it pulsing, indicating that there is a notification or a chat message from your preparer. Once your preparer has completed your tax return, this is what the screen will look like, indicating that you will need to sign the tax return and that you have signature documents. So we can go to the chat feature. Just make sure there are no additional questions. From there, we will click on the document that needs to be signed. So we will start with the 7216 disclosure statement, and we can review the screen. You can zoom into it if you need to read more detail. And from there, we will sign. Once we've decided we would like to sign, and you only have to sign it one time once you've signed. The app stores your signature and allows you to click to populate the signature on the next few forms. So, these are our due diligence documents. So consent to use, and then you can sign your bank application. And again, some of these are small text that you can very easily zoom in, like you normally would on a web page. And of course, if you have any questions about these forms, you can further chat, call, or video conference with your VTax tax preparer so that they can review your tax return with you. All right, so now your tax return is ready for filing. VTax will notify you when your return has been submitted.